here to do our Mani and Lola box. So Mani and Lola is a UK subscription box for nail polishes. It is £22.95 a month on a rolling 1 month subscription. However, if you go for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, you can get it cheaper than that. So it is good value. Each box contains approximately £60+ worth of goodies. So this is the December box. So it comes as a drawer. And these are reusable, obviously. I always encourage people to reuse packaging. And then inside you have all of your goodies. As always, you get a little card explaining what the theme of the month is. So, December 2018, we wish you a happy holiday season. Our holiday box is here and it's more festive than ever. Treat your money to beautifully seasonal winter products for nails that impress during party season. Break into the festive season with a manicure that's perfect for the holidays. During December, we all have so much going on and so many fabulous events to look forward to. Wear a new polish to every party and enjoy glowing skin with our deluxe holiday special edit filled with salon professional nail polish, essential nail care and complimentary skincare. So that is that, and all of the goodies are on the back with their information. Now the first item in here is a face mask. So this is Incredible Be Sure to Shine Nourishing Sheet Mask for Tired Skin, and it's mermaid themed. And as you know me, I love my mermaids, so I am so happy to have received this. Really pleased. Throughout the whole box there's these little little pieces of glitter, so it looks like it catches the light and it's iridescent, and it's like greens and blues on these little pieces of paper. I can't find any, but it's like little iridescent. I can't seem to pick any up because every time you reach for them they just drop through. So it's got a real sort of like mermaidy, under the sea court sort of feel for this box. I absolutely love those little touches. Well done, Mani and Lola. So yeah, this is a mermaid one, and it's enriched with seaweed, soybean and hyaluronate to nourish, energize, soften and rejuvenate. So I love me a face mask, and well, a tissue face mask, and I love mermaids, so this is a great bonus. The information reads, the recommended retail price for this is £10.95. That I'm not so keen on, the price. If ever you needed a dreamy holiday glow, it's during December. Nourish your skin and unlock a mermaid's beauty secret with the Incredible Be Sure to Shine Sheet Mask. Incredible are also a like a sister brand to the Nails Inc. Designed to leave you with a radiant glow and a truly energized complexion, this is the perfect way to breathe life into your skincare routine. Just follow the instructions on the reverse of the packaging. So I will be doing that sometime between now and Christmas for sure. So yeah, thank you very much. The next item, now this is stunning. It's a little bauble. It's a gorgeous little Christmas bauble with a little miniature nail polish inside. So let's just open it up. My God, guys, this is stunning. This is definite holographic. It is Mavala's Pure Diamond, and the information on the card says Mavala Pure Diamond Bauble, recommended retail price £12.95. A little Christmas treat from Lola to you to hang on your tree. This beautiful multi-dimensional silver glitter is a touch of holographic magic for your nails and comes in a truly enchanting festive bauble. Unwrap on Christmas Day for your holiday manicure and enjoy this irresistible polish all season long. Well, I have one description for this, and that is, this is Christmas tree lights for your nails. This is stunning, absolutely gorgeous. This is so beautiful. I want to wear it now. I want it on my nails right now. This is my favourite polish out of this month's box, but you know, not to give the rest away, but is that it? Anyway, so yeah, I absolutely love this nail polish. It's so gorgeous. The brush is perfect. It is only small, but it's such a beautiful brush that it applies your nail polish really, really well. So that is that, and it is this one on the nail wheel. Just look at that shimmer. It is literally like Christmas tree lights for your nails. It's stunning, and I will be wearing this for Christmas. That is for sure. Absolutely, positively sure. This will be on my nails on Christmas Day. The next item in here is a Jessica nail polish, and we've had quite a few of these in the Mani and Lola box. This is Bohemian Rhapsody, and we got a sneak peek of this on the Facebook page. But look at that gorgeous blue. It is stunning. Now, I know a lot of people like reds and golds at Christmas and greens, but I find blues beautiful, beautiful for Christmas. This is another contender for Christmas Day for me, for sure. The brush is very nice there, and it applies beautifully. Yeah, it's a beautiful royal blue. So let's see what it says on the card. Jessica's Bohemian Rhapsody, recommended retail price of £11. Breathe a touch of elegance into your winter manicure with this rich, deep navy blue. This gorgeous shade is modern, classy and unique, making for a show-stopping December edition. We adore this lacquer for being so wearable all season long. And it really is. For me, this is a beautiful, classic, Christmassy type of blue. A wintry blue. This is probably going to be on my nails a lot over the winter season. It is absolutely gorgeous. I think it is stunning. On the wheel, it is this one here. It's just so stunning, and that was just 2 coats as well. All of my swatches are 2 coats, and it just applied so beautifully. I was in love with it. The next polish we have is a Zoya, and I'm happy to report that this Zoya is much more prettier than the last one I got. So this one is Allegra, and it is this gorgeous like raspberry pink with some gold shimmer in there. Not sure if my camera will pick that up, but there is some beautiful gold shimmer in there. So yeah, that's what the let's have a look what the card says. Zoya Allegra, recommended retail price of £11.70. It says, channel your inner Mrs. Claus with this rich, shimmering raspberry red Allegra by Zoya. With our December edit being heavily influenced by the excitement of party season, this is an event-ready shade for a statement manicure. Developed in Zoya's award-winning, vegan-friendly, cruelty-free and Big Ten-free formula, you'll be reaching for this shade to complement your best outfit. So, of course, this pretty deep pink is absolutely gorgeous. I wouldn't say it's yeah, raspberry red. It's more pink than red, but yeah, I can see it working very well during the party season. The brushes on these are not the greatest, I will admit. I'm not a big fan. They're very thin and small, and the application of Zoya's just not my favourite at all, but I do really like this colour. If Mani and Lola ever watch any of my videos, may I please request that we get a different shade of Zoya for a change, because I've been getting Mani and Lola now since May 2018 this year, and so far I think I've received I've received mostly pinks. I think this is my third pink, then I've got a purple, and then I've got two greens. Can we please have a different colour, like a blue, or or a, or a or a yellow, or an actual red? Or I know Zoya do a beautiful like bridal neutrals collection. I'd love something from that. You know, something that's going to be really classy and subtle and just other than pink. Really? The next item, I'm going to actually, no, I'm going to leave that one till last, because that one is kind of exciting. So I'm going to jump to this Essie Good As Gone Clarifying Nail Polish Remover. It is obviously a sample size. And this is a recommended retail price of £4.99. Now I think that refers to the full size bottle, because this is a sample size. With a box full of beautifully pigmented shades, we've got your back with a high-performance Essie Good As Gone Clarifying Nail Polish Remover. Dissolve away even the deepest shades of lacquer and particle-filled glitter polish with this fantastic Salon Professional Nail Polish Remover. Simply soak a cotton pad and hold on the nail plate for a few seconds. Then wipe away 2 to 3 times and your nail plate should be perfectly clean and cleansed, ready for your next look. And this is great to include in this Christmas December box, because we have quite a few glitters in this box. I'm wearing a glitter at the moment. I don't want to take this off, but I'm going to have to today. So yeah, if that is going to remove glitters quite easily, I may be repurchasing a full size of this. So that is good. And the final product in our box, my God, when I opened this box, when it first arrived, I didn't even notice this. Oh, I forgot to show you the Zoya. That is a Zoya. Sorry, I got away with myself. That is the Zoya. It is beautiful and it is gorgeous. The gold shimmer in it doesn't come off on the nail though, which is a shame. But anyway, back to this. Yes, so when I first received this box, I didn't even notice this. And then my husband, who was sat beside me, went, Nicola, is that one of those? And I looked and oh my God, I think I deafened the poor boy, because it's the Grinch. Look at that. This is one of China Glaze's 2018 Christmas collection, the Grinch collection. Oh my God, I put this on my Christmas list. I really, 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 really wanted this for Christmas. But every time my husband said he went onto the Nail Polish Direct website, it was out of stock. Always out of stock. And when it was in stock, we didn't have any money. So I was like, I really, really want this. And now I have one. So it doesn't matter if I don't get the whole collection, at least I have one. And it's the most gorgeous colour. It is this beautiful gold with holographic glitters inside. It is absolutely stunning. It's like gold glitter and then holographic glitter. It's just, oh, it's so beautiful. And it's got the Grinch on it. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. So this is China Glaze Merry Whatever. That is the shade name. The recommended retail price of this is £8.95. This brand new lacquer is one of our favourites from the 2018 The Grinch collection by China Glaze in partnership with Dr. Seuss's hit film. Place your nails on the naughty list and celebrate the festive season with dazzling, sparkly gold nails. Achieve flawless results with China Glaze's High Shine Glitter formula. Oh my God, I love it. It's absolutely stunning. It's so perfect for Christmas. This is exactly what Christmas is about. gold glitter and holographic glitter. My lord, this is Christmas in a nail polish. It is stunning. I am so chuffed to have this. This box has truly blown me away this month. And the swatch, before I forget, is right there. It is absolutely stunning. So beautiful. So there are all 4 polishes that I have received this month, which are all so stunning. And as much as I love the Grinch nail polish, the Mavala is just so glittery and so shiny on my nails. These two are obviously my favourites. The Mavala just taking the top spot. Then it would be the China Glaze. Then it would be the Jessica. That blue is just stunning. And then sadly leading up the rear is the Zoya. I think it's just because I have a lot of pinks in my collection, and unfortunately the gold glitter that you see in here, it doesn't come off on the nail. I certainly didn't come off on my swatch wheel. And then obviously I have my face mask as well with the mermaid on it. So happy. For me personally, Mani and Lola knocked the final box of the year out of the park. So yeah, I absolutely love this. It is so worth its money. As I said earlier, I have been a subscriber since May, and 2019, I'm just going to keep on subscribing. How can I not? With such great value and such great polishes being added to my collection every month. So if you want to see what I get in January's Mani and Lola box, please subscribe, comment as always, and then we can enjoy these lovely boxes all together. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.